When we switched to central boiler, we started saving $500 a month on our heating bill.
So last year we switched to the classic Edge 550 from a conventional style boiler. And the conventional stove had quite a bit more wood consumption compared to this first year with our classic Edge. We noticed about close to a 50% reduction in wood that we'd burned through the winter.
You know, we're heating roughly 3,000 square feet, including domestic hot water. We are able to set up the system so that we can dial in all the temperatures in our home, not only from the room temperature standpoint, but also how we heat our floors. And the whole system has been remarkable, and it is a luxury, and it's one that we've really enjoyed.
This place was originally set up with propane, and we had an abundance of a resource, and that's why we bought a central boiler.
The outdoor wood burner has all the conveniences of propane. We don't notice a difference in our day-to-day function, I'd say.
And we had this little dude coming along and just really needed to make a change to something that was less expensive because we were spending at least $2,500 on propane a year. So we just wanted to make a change to something that we could manage more successfully and use the resources at our home already.
Yeah, I did. I shopped around with other brands and compared. I chose the Edge because of the new design they had on them appealed to me. The ease of cleaning and access and serviceability. And the back heat exchanger plate is just a breeze to get to with the back door design on these new classic Edges.
We do open up the back as well through the hinge door, and of course do all the thorough cleaning of the heat exchanger and just make sure that everything back there is running properly. But that's only a once a month activity, and it's only a 10-minute activity in total as well.
Yeah, I loved heating the water with the central boiler because we had unlimited hot water all winter long. It was fantastic.
We have 4 kids, and it takes a lot of hot water to keep the house running between the dishwasher and the laundry and baths.
And this model of the classic Edge also came with the Firestarter Controller with the E-Link technology that you can hook up to your Wi-Fi.
Basically, anywhere you get a phone signal, you got an opportunity to look at your fire.
The simple fact that I can check on my phone through the application and see what the furnace is doing has proven incredibly useful.
When I've had to put wood in, then my husband will call me and tell me when to put it in, and then he knows if I did it correctly.
Based on
his app.
The input I get from the Firestarter Controller.
It's not one of those things where you can just say that you put the wood in, like you got to put the wood in. He's gonna know that I didn't do it when I told him I was gonna do it, so.